If there is anything Regina Daniel should be thankful of, is the grace of the family wey she come out from. Like una know say as this whole drama between she and Ipa surface the internet, when they come carry im brother Sammy go put for kirikiri from one kirikiri to the other wey e come end up for Suleja kirikiri. Una remember say na during that time na im papa Regina and mama Regina, after how many years of not being together, na how the both of them take come together, come become one to take carry this matter for head. Because if dem dey separated, e go hard for that unity to stand and for the case to get head. As if dem know say na how dem go take do am wey e go get head be this, omo. Na so dem come work their way to the top, making sure say dem settle their differences so that their daughter or their children go fit get the justice wey dem deserve. Now, na that togetherness na im dey help dem now, because on several occasions, according to the information, Ipa dey always look for one way or the other, either to call the mama Regina or call the papa Regina. Una remember say Ipa just yesterday, abi day before yesterday, na im enter Delta State. With the report wey im get from their own end was never a good one at all. He was so disappointed that his own people rejected him because of Regina Daniel. And now, as they rejected him, una know say if there is anything wey dey pain Ipa for where Regina Daniel dey, na the fact say nobody don ever break im ego like the way Regina Daniel scatter am for where e no ever expect. So as such, that thing dey pain am no be small. But wetin im go do? Nothing wey im fit do. Now, as im go there where dem go tell am wetin dem tell am wey e no like, wey dem go dey ask am about Regina Daniel, e really pain am. Im call the mother wey be Regina Daniel mama, explaining everything to her, that see oo, if una wan make we sign am as contract, make we sign am as contract, so that anything wey wan be, anything wey I later recover, we go share am. Make we sign am, make we seal am. This one, that one. Na how e take call mama Regina, dey tell mama Regina be that, thinking say mama Regina still dey in the past. Im no know say that one don move on. She no ready at all for anything wey has to do with money matter with Ipa again. Because una know say as this whole thing start, na Ipa theories come out, come write am say im don give, and im know say e dey set these people up for dragging. E don tey wey dey already dey drag mama Regina Daniel. So for him to have come out and come and say that ever since he got married to Regina Daniel, the money that he has given to mama Regina should be up to 100 and something million dollar, wey im don carry don give mama Regina Daniel. That way now, online in-laws come start dey drag the mama say, hey, no wonder na money na you go find. Shebi you don finally see the money, you don sell your daughter, this, that. Shame on you, mother wey no get level, mother wey dey after money. Imagine how many million dollar wey only you don collect, you don squander, you don this. Like, e come set the woman for dragging. In other words, she go dey seek for favor. Na dragging na she dey collect here and there, back and front. And that is exactly what he wanted. He wanted to manipulate the heart of people so that they no go come dey fight for her. They go dey against the mama Regina. It is say as he do that one, say because of Regina alone, for the fact that she too, she come now come out, come say, abeg, make everybody cease fire, make dem leave her mama alone. Her mama no do anything wrong. Na she carry herself enter. That her video alone, even though people dey see am like it does not really make any sense, she was supposed to address Ipa. Instead, she was addressing her mother, now saying type shit up and down. E no really dey important. She no do that video well. She F up. She try as she do am, because it really reduced the tension say okay people wey come dey drag the mother dey come reduce to dey drag the mother, rather dey come even dey talk am say we hear no be you carry the money give her, no be because of say make the mother continue to dey beg the girl make the girl continue for inside the marriage na im make, like dem come turn the table, na that one dey pepper am for body. So im think say Mama Regina still dey in the past. E think say she still dey in the past. Na im e come dey call her concerning that travelling matter say and again im political matter make dem strike deal anyhow wey e be. If im come back for second ten ure dey go share the money, dey go know if na for contract basis let dem just talk. Wey Mama Regina bounce am back say what's the meaning of that one, make you no ever call her again or tell her anything again. Now Mama Regina wey feel disappointed and pained that this man, for him to have called her, meaning he is still interested in Regina Daniel, and for him to still keep on telling her the same thing over and over and over and over again, make e no come be say e go come dey send people to go dey harass Regina Daniel or to go dey kolobi her or to dey trace her up and down. Na im Mama Regina instantly call Papa Regina explain everything for am, wetin Ipa don talk and all. Now as Ipa don already travel, e no dey around. Where im dey already, he's feeling disappointed, pained that the same Regina Daniel wey im bin call the papa for, the same Regina Daniel na im dey still come wey im call im mama for, na the same Regina Daniel na im dey still come here come rub am for im face. As the mama come call the papa, before the papa go even say make im call, normally you know say men dey take their time, because of say Mama Regina let am know what's up, no mean say im go just carry phone start dey call the man. E know say matter go bring matter, as im don call the mama wey the mama scatter the table for im hand, say definitely im mind tell am say you know say na lawyer, according to Regina Daniel, say her papa na lawyer, na Nigeria na im happen to am wey make am e no continue. So im don already know the scope, e don get the sense finish. E say na here wey im sit down, e be like chair, Ipa go still carry himself come sit down on top. So im go wait patiently for Ipa. Na so as he was disgraced, disappointed and frustrated over there, na im come carry phone come call Papa Regina Daniel say that see he is sorry, he has already called, you know the last time he stated it that you went through my back to go meet my wife and pay Regina Daniel bride price to her, knowing fully well that a woman don collect bride price, but you lure her, you cajole her, because you know that if you come through me, it will not work. I will not ever in my life accept. Not even your son will I allow to marry my daughter, Regina Daniel. But because you know your way, that's why you went through my wife to marry her. So as e be say he already tell am that one before, na im Ipa come, e come be like say he no know say Mama Regina don already call Papa Regina, explain everything for am. He come call the Papa Regina now, making it look like he is the first person he's calling. He has not even called the Mama Regina. Say that he want to discuss something with him, that this one now is strictly business, that God knows he love Regina Daniel, but for now, since she's still thinking about it, he will suggest that they all both come together and sustain and retain this political seat so that they go enjoy, they go jolly. Say this second time, a lot of people look up to him and he will not disappoint the family. That they should just do anything humanly possible. Let him talk to Regina, even if not to sign form, make dem agreement form, say see wetin dey for the form, see wetin for the form o, see how they go do am, see how they go do am. Then they go come to conclusion, know what to do. Say at this junction, he believe Papa Regina can do it. That's why him is calling him. Na Papa Regina come ask am say, you are calling me because of this. So what will now happen? So that I can now talk to my daughter, for my daughter to do what? To campaign for you, to canvass for you. Abi? Okay. I am telling you for the very last time. You know, say no be today, Papa Regina had already they warn Ipa. But because the more way this man they warn, the more this man they even they go court, they go police station, they come. The more Ipa they do, the more they do so many things. because he know say the man no really get connection the way he take get connection. But you no know say the day wey God go say im cup don full, e go shock am say dat man go just sit down, people that matters go just come look for am, come carry dat case for head like gala. Na dat day im go know say the grace of God e no dey leave im own. In as much as say you dey prayerful, you know wetin you dey do, at an hour you dey not expect, God go just come through, do im wonders in your life. Now im dey see am like the man does not have connection. Year to year na im say e go do am. E don dey warn am, e don dey warn am, e don even carry the matter go court. Dem don carry am go police station. And presently the matter e dey for court. They still dey drag am go, dey drag am dey come, no solution yet. So he so much believe in this power, he believe say nothing dey sup. Anyhow wey dey drag am go, drag am come. At the end of the day, Regina na im own. Na im pass say the father come tell am say im don warn am oo. E know say as im dey warn am, e no dey gree hear. Say he is not even supposed to even think of calling him for such in the very first place, because he knows fully well that he is never going to accept his daughter to do such or to return back to him. That they shouldn't worry, he should wait for him. He will get back to him. That anything wey im use im head dey find, im go see am, but make im sha leave im daughter alone. Na im born am, no be im born am for am. Na im born dem. Make im leave im daughter alone and look for someone else. Now na him dey talk am, make im look for someone else and leave the daughter the hell alone. It is not by force. There are other women out there that have the publicity that can help him to canvas. Make him go look for those women, which automatically means that this man is just after his political ambition, so that somebody will go come clear im name patapata. E dey tell Papa Regina say, you know I love your daughter. As your daughter when she was in my house, has she ever complained to you that I am wicked? Let's tell ourselves the truth. If not that she want to be the victim, she want to claim like I am the bad person. If we want to tell ourselves the truth, you know I am not a bad person. If she is fed up with the marriage and she want to leave, there are so many ways for her to leave, not for her to come spoil my reputation, spoil my name and all. This one, that one, this one. God knows I love her. But because she don't want to understand with me, so let's just play the game according to how she wants it and how it will best suit her. This one, that one. Na Papa Regina say, anyone wey you wan talk, you are very correct, but stay away from my family. Stay away from my daughter. Very, very important. And as for the mother too, she said she has told you to leave her daughter alone. So father and mother are saying the same thing, including siblings. Please leave my daughter alone. Omo. Ipa don face rejection here and there on top of this Regina Daniel matter. Omo, if only this man know, hey God oh, e for no even try and say he wan even arrest her brothers in the very first place. If Regina misbehave, there are so many ways for you to handle it, and not the way he come handle am. And beside, he say na Regina na im cause all these things. Na she come dey expose am, dey talk things wey no happen, all because of say fear of favour. She wan get favour for their hand. Rather, the thing now come dey scatter. Say if not, he no need all this explanation sef coming from our end, because they already know say this one na im papa papa Regina Daniel come tell am say make e enter house, make e leave im daughter alone. Na im born am, no be Ned Nwoko born am. My people, it is well o. Now na time for begging. Na time to dey follow who no road, make dem beg Regina Daniel. 1 minute this man is saying something else, another minute he's doing another thing. The same thing wey Regina Daniel talk, wey dey talk say she don kolo mentos, na druggy dey worry her. When she come share post of people wey dey come dey talk to her, prominent people, im friends wey be say dem get money, dem be senator like am, some wey be say dem no be senator but dem gallant billionaires, wey dey come chat Regina Daniel concerning the matter, say make she forgive and forget. This one, that one. Ipa go come post another one the next day, where she dey even dey try to say whether she go forgive. Im go come drop another one, making her look stupid, making it look like those people are just begging on their own. It's not coming from Ipa itself. At the end of the day, see am now. See am now, see the outcome. My people, na the matter be this. So I say Papa Regina they don't provoke oh, everybody don't provoke on top of this matter. Even person wey be the pity they do now, even she don't wash her hand comot because her eye don see a lot. Only she lost AGN chairman as the head of Actors Guild of Nigeria. Only she lose am. As if that was not enough, a lot of things wey she don lose during this time, even only this shout wey she dey shout go come, e reach. So una see why the mama no go wash im hand comot for inside the matter, wash their hand comot because omo e too much now. My people, na im be this one. I say make I come drop am for una. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.